and welcome to Mathics Zone. Today we'll be studying geometry chapter number 1, similarity, exercise number 1.1. So in this exercise we'll be studying about the triangles, that is height and a base of triangle and the ratio of areas of two triangles. So watch the video till the end, do not skip any part and solve it simultaneously so that you will be clear with the questions and a concept of exercise 1.1. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. So now we'll start with some property of this exercise. So now we'll see first property. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So by reading the property it is difficult to understand, so we'll solve using an example. So we have two triangles, that is triangle ABC in which AM is perpendicular to BC. Similarly we have another triangle XYZ in which XN is perpendicular to YZ. So firstly we'll find the area of first triangle, that is area of triangle ABC. So as we all know that the formula for the area of triangle is half into base into height. So half into base of triangle ABC is BC. So we'll substitute BC here, and height of triangle ABC is AM. AM is the height. So this is area of triangle ABC. Similarly we'll find area of triangle XYZ. Area of triangle XYZ is equals to half into base into height. So base of triangle XYZ is YZ. So half into YZ into height. Height of triangle XYZ is XN. XN is the height of triangle. So this is area of triangle XYZ. So now we'll go through a property, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. That is, we have two triangles, we'll take the ratio of their areas, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equals to, we'll substitute the values, that is half into base is BC and height is AM. Similarly for XYZ, half into base is YZ and height is XN. So as you can see, half is common, so half will be eliminated and remaining is BC into AM, that is base into height. Similarly YZ into XN, that is base into height. So now we'll go through a property and understand it clearly, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle. The ratio of area of two triangle, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ. This is the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to, ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of product, that is ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights, of their bases and corresponding heights. So according to the property we have solved an example. Now it is easy to understand. So the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. That means ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the bases and corresponding heights. So this was property number 1. Similarly we'll solve property number 2. Let's see second property. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So let's solve an example and understand it clearly. We have taken a triangle PQR in which PM is perpendicular to QR. So firstly we'll find the area of one triangle and we'll find the area of second triangle. You can take two separate triangles or you can take a triangle like this. So area of triangle PQM. Firstly we'll take the area of triangle PQM, that is half into base into height. Half into base. Base of triangle PQM is QM. QM is the base. And height of triangle PQM is PM. So this is area of triangle PQM. Similarly, we'll find area of triangle PMR. Area of triangle PMR is half into base into height. That is half into base. Base of triangle PMR is MR and height of triangle PMR is PM. So now according to the property we'll solve it, that is the ratio of area of two triangles. So we'll take the ratio of the first and a second triangles. Area of triangle PQM upon area of triangle PMR. So we'll substitute the values, that is half into base is QM and height is PM. Similarly, half into base is MR and height is PM. So now as you can see, half is common and height PM and PM is common. So it is eliminated and QM upon MR is the remaining value. So now we'll go through the property, that is ratio of area of two triangles, that is ratio of area of two triangles with equal heights. We have a equal height for the both the triangle, that is PM is the height for both the triangles, is equal to the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights. We have equal height for both the triangle, that is PM is the height for both the triangle, is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Corresponding bases means area of triangle PQM. The base for area of triangle PQM is QM and similarly area of triangle PMR, the base for area of triangle PMR is MR. So according to the property we have solved an example which is easy to understand. So similarly we'll solve our last property, that is third one, and then after we'll solve an exercise. So let's see a third property, that is ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So we'll solve an example which will be easy to understand. So we have taken this triangle, that is triangle ABC and triangle MBC. We have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle MBC. So firstly we'll find the areas of triangle, that is area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. So half into base of triangle ABC is the base and height is AP. AP is the height for triangle ABC. AP is the height. Similarly, we'll find the area of triangle of MBC. Area of triangle MBC is equals to half into base into height. That is half into base. Base of triangle MBC is BC. And height of triangle MBC is MQ. So now we'll solve it using the property that is ratio of areas of two triangles. So firstly we'll take the ratio of area of two triangle, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle MBC. We'll substitute the values, that is half into base is BC and height is AP. Similarly half into base is BC and height is MQ. So as you can see, half is common and the base is common, so we'll eliminate, and AP upon MQ is the remaining value. So we'll go through a property, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangle with equal bases. So now you can see in both the triangle we have equal base, that is base BC is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, that is AP upon MQ is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, that is height of triangle ABC is AP and height of triangle MBC is MQ. That is ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to their corresponding heights, is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, that is AP upon MQ. So these are some property which is useful to solve an exercise. So now we'll solve exercise number 1.1. So let's see first sum of exercise 1.1. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So this sum will solve it using the first property, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their bases and corresponding heights. So this sum will solve it using the first property, but before that let's denote base as B1 and height as H1 and base for another triangle as B2 and height as H2. So let the base, height and area of first triangle be B1, H1 and A1, that is base of first triangle, height of first triangle and area of first triangle. Similarly for the second triangle be B2, H2 and A2, that is base for second triangle, height for second triangle and area of second triangle. So now it is given that the base for the first triangle is, that is B1 is 9 and H1 is 5. We have to find the area of first triangle. Similarly B2 is 10 and H2 height for the second triangle is 6. So after this it is important to write the statement, that is we are going to solve it using the first property, so it is important to write the statement. The statement is the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So it is important to write the statement. So after writing the statement, the solution will be area of triangle, area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to product of their bases and corresponding heights, that is product of their bases. So the base for the first triangle is B1 and height is H1. Similarly, base for the second triangle is B2 and height is H2. So now we'll substitute the values, that is 9 into H1 is 5 and B2 is 10 and H2 is 6. 9 5s are 45 and 10 6s are 60. So 45 by 60, if you divide it by 15, so it will be 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. So the final answer is 3 by 5. That is the ratio of area of two triangles, that is area of triangle first and the area of triangle second, the ratio is 3:5. So the ratio of area of two triangle is 3 by 5. That is area of triangle first and area of triangle second is 3 by 5. So this was sum number 1, in which we just have to use the first property and find the ratio of areas of two triangles. So if you understand the property clearly, then the sum is very easy for you. Similarly, we'll solve the second sum. So this is second sum. In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is equals to 4 and AD is equals to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. As you can see, in both the triangle, base AB is common. AB base is common in both the triangles. So we'll solve it using our third property, that is ratio of areas of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So we'll solve it using the third property, because in both the triangles, as you can see, base AB is common. That is, in triangle ACB, AB base is common. Similarly, in triangle DAB, AB base is common. So firstly, we'll write triangle ABC and triangle ADB have same base AB. And after writing this, we'll write the statement, that is statement of our third property. Statement of our third property, that is ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So we'll write the statement here, and after writing the statement, we'll solve it. Ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of corresponding height, that is ratio of their corresponding heights. So in triangle ABC, the height is BC, and similarly in triangle ADB, the height is AD. So we have the value of BC and AD, that is BC is equals to 4 and AD is equals to 8. If we divide it by 4, that will be 1 by 2. So this will be our final value, that is 1 by 2 for the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equals to half. So this was question number 2. If you know the properties very well, then sums are very easy for you. We just have to solve the sum by using the property. So this was question number 2, in which we solve it using our third property, and similarly we'll solve question number 3. So now let's solve question number 3. In the figure, PS is perpendicular to QR. Similarly, QT is perpendicular to PR. If RQ is 6, PS is 6 and PR is 12. PR is 12, then find the value of QT. Find the value of QT. So we'll solve this sum using the formula of area of triangle. So firstly, it is given that RQ is equals to 6, PS is equals to 6 and PR is equals to 12. So firstly we'll write the formula, that is area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So now we'll take the area of triangle PQR, half into base PQR. The base is RQ. RQ is the base for triangle PQR and height is PS. PQR, height is PS. So we have the value of RQ and PS. RQ is 6 and PS is 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 3s are 18. So area of triangle PQR is 18. Also, if we take area of triangle PQR, we have base as PR and height as QT. So again we'll take area of triangle PQR, that is half into base into height, half into base. The base is PR. Previously we have taken base as RQ. Now we'll take base as PR. PR as base and height as QT. We have area of triangle PQR as 18 into half into base. PR is 12 and QT, we have to find the value of QT. So 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 divided by 18. Value of QT is 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. So value of QT is 3. So value of QT is equals to 3 units. We just have to use the formula of area of triangle, that is half into base into height, and we have to take a two triangle, that is in first triangle PQR we have to take base as QR and height as PS. Find the area of triangle PQR and after that take base as PR and height as QT and substitute the value of area of triangle and find the value of QT. So this was question number 3. Similarly we'll solve question number 4. Now let's see question number 4. In a figure, AP is perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD. Now if you see triangle ABC and triangle BDC, we have same base BC for both the triangle, that is triangle ABC, base of triangle ABC is BC, and similarly base of triangle BDC is BC. So firstly we'll write triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base BC. Have same base BC. As you can see, the vertices of triangle ABC and BDC are on the parallel lines. It is given that AD is parallel to BC and the vertices are on the parallel line, so the distance between the two parallel line is constant. So if you see, AP is the height of triangle ABC and we have to take DM as the height of triangle DBC. So we have the height of triangle ABC as AP and height of triangle BDC as DM. So height of triangle ABC will be equal to the height of triangle BDC. So height will be common in both the triangles. Base is common, height is common. So the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD will be equals to 1. So vertices of triangle ABC and triangle BCD are on parallel lines, that is AD and BC. The vertices are on the parallel lines, that is AD and BC. Hence distance between two parallel lines is the height of a triangle. Distance between two parallel lines will be the height of triangle, and distance between two parallel lines is always constant. Distance between two parallel lines is always constant. So triangle ABC and triangle BCD have equal heights. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD have equal heights. So area of two triangle with equal base and equal height is equal. Area of two triangle with equal base, that is base is common BC in both the triangle, and equal heights, distance between two parallel line is constant, so the heights will be equal, is equal. The area of two triangle with equal base and equal height is equal. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equals to 1:1. That will be area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle BCD. So this is the solution for question number 4, in which we have same base and equal height. Why equal heights? Because the distance between two parallel line is equal. The distance between two parallel line is constant, that is equal. So the height of triangle ABC will be equal to height of triangle BDC. So the base is equal, the height is equal, so the area will be equal. That is area of two triangle with equal base and equal height is equal. So the area will be equal. So this was question number 4. Now we'll solve our last question, question number 5. So let's see this question. In a figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then find, first one is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. PQB and PBC. We have to find the ratio of area of triangle PQB and triangle PBC. So as you can see, in triangle PQB and triangle PBC, height PQ is common in both the triangle, that is triangle PQB height is PQ, and in triangle PBC height is PQ. Firstly, we have to write that triangle PQB and triangle PBC have same height, that is PQ, and after that write a statement, that is ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. With that property, solve it and find base. Similarly, we'll see second one, area of triangle PBC. Area of triangle PBC and area of triangle ABC. In this triangle PBC and triangle ABC, the base BC is common. Base BC is common in both the triangle. That is, in triangle PBC, base is BC, and in triangle ABC, base is BC. So firstly we have to write the triangle PBC and triangle ABC have the same base BC, and after that write a statement and solve it and find the height. Similarly we'll see third one, that is ABC and ADC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, the height AD is common. Height AD is common. So we have to write triangle ABC and triangle ADC have the same height AD, and after that write a statement and find the base. And the last one is triangle ADC and triangle PQC. In triangle ADC and triangle PQC, there is nothing common, so find it with the first property, that is ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the product of their corresponding bases and height. So in fourth one, find the height and the base for triangle ADC and triangle PBC. So this sum is homework for you. Solve it and write the property for each of the sub questions. That is, for the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, write the property and solve it. So now we have completed exercise 1.1. In our next video we'll see exercise 1.2, in which we'll study basic proportionality theorem and a converse of basic proportionality theorem. So do not miss any of my videos. Stay tuned. Until then, keep practicing. Do not forget to do your homework, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your one like and one subscribe will encourage me to bring more videos for you. Thank you.